Farming Students Guide. We've had our first request through our Facebook page to make a cake in the microwave. So that's what we're going to try and do. So my assistant here is going to make the cake for us. Hopefully it's going to turn out all right. We've got somebody else who's going to try it and give us a student rating to see if it's any good.
Right, so we have 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and you have to mix that up a bit. Make sure that you do this in a big mug, otherwise you're going to get spillage. And this one we have 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of milk. And you mix that in with 1 medium egg. You have to mix it until it's a nice paste. Now at this point you can put some orange essence in, or some chocolate chips, whatever. And when it's nice and smooth, you have to put it into the microwave for like 2 minutes, or until it's risen enough that you can, it's quite firm. Make sure you put it in the centre. Right, so after 2 minutes, quite firm like that on top. It's nice and done.
Right, so I'm joined by Andrew. He's going to taste the cake for us.
Hello. Spongy. It's really good.
Very good.
Yeah.
So what kind of student rating would you give that?
I would give it a 7.
7 out of 10?
7 out of 10.
Well, there you go. So we managed to make a cake in a cup. It's got a student rating of 7 out of 10. Give it a go. It really was quite easy. Didn't take very long. The mess is great though.